Hi, and welcome to another episode of Mr. Puzzle. Today we're gonna talk about this puzzle, fidget puzzle here. And this one was provided to me by the company Mofango for an independent review. And the good thing is they not only provided one, but they provided two of them. And this is pretty cool because I can show you here how well it spins, as well as talk a little bit about the build quality. In general, it is completely made out of plastic, and I think also the bearing here is made out of plastic. I'm not sure about that, but it spins extremely well, much more than I actually expected from a plastic bearing. So I will just demonstrate it to you by just giving it here some momentum and talk a little bit more about the spinner. As I said, it spins extremely well. And in addition to the fidget spinner, it's a fully functional 3x3x1 Twisty puzzle. Pretty cool. And it's also kind of a shapeshifter. So as usual for a 1x1x1, I guess. You know how unfamiliar I'm with Twisty puzzles. But this looks already pretty cool here. You can completely transform it into something else. And then you can solve it, of course, like a common Twisty puzzle. And this I will do. For this I will now challenge myself, so I will try to solve this puzzle. And you know, I'm not very familiar with Twisty puzzles. Therefore, let's see if I can solve it before the puzzle stops. I think yes, because this thing, as I mentioned, is spinning pretty well. And yeah, let's give it a try. So I would first, let's say, bring it back into the previous shape, flat, and then I will sort the outer colors. Let's see. Green, orange, red, blue. And now I need to sort the white and yellow side. Okay, it's not too difficult, but it's still cool because of this feature here. And how cool this is, you can basically see also if I slide, you have additional features compared to a regular or a normal standard fidget spinner, because you can also twist these slightly apart and just spin it, and then you have something like this here, and this looks also pretty cool with these two color stripes here on the side. Okay. And since I have two of them, I can show you also something in addition, which looks also pretty cool. And this is if you stack them, if you put these fidget spinners on top of each other, or let me zoom a little bit in that you get the full hypnotic feeling here. If I take it and spin it, you can see it creates already a pattern based on the lightning and on the light here. And then if I move it, for example, in the same direction, it creates some patterns like this with different speeds. And since the speed will adjust a little bit, the pattern will change. And what's also pretty cool, or even cooler, is when I stop it and when I spin it in the opposite direction. There you get some really cool patterns here. I just stop it down, break it down a little bit. Look at this. This looks pretty cool. And I could look on this for hours, to be honest. It's just so satisfying. I think you agree to it. And you can see how these different colors, or how the pattern shapes over time. So that's definitely worth a look, this puzzle. And I'm not sure when it will be released. I think it will be released the next days, and then you can also check it out and get one yourself. And I can really recommend it. If I can find it, I can also put it to my Amazon shop as soon as it is available, and then you can enjoy them yourself. So it was a short review today, but nevertheless a cool puzzle. If you like this episode, just leave a like. If you would like to see more in the future, just hit the bell to stay informed about further future updates. And you can also, of course, join my Facebook and Instagram channel. And until next time, keep on spinning, puzzling.